It's amazing how easy it is to get patches and wear down tracks in your lawn. And once they set in, they can be a harbour to weeds establishing and spoil the whole lawn's effect. Keeping your lawn lush and growing strongly is very important. Late spring is the best time of the year to get your lawn back on track. Have a look at this. Now this is the pathway that goes up into my edible garden. I walk up and down here all the time and you can see that it's slightly shaded. Now grass tends not to grow super well in shaded positions, but if you have a look at the wear mark in the middle, that's actually the walking track, and we do this regularly in our gardens. We walk the same line, and of course it's just worn the grass out altogether. Now it's not all bad news, because there is a trick I can share with you that's going to green this up. The first thing you should do in this situation is break the surface layer up with a sand rake or even a fine Dutch hoe. This should leave it crumbly in texture. And once you've done that to the total area, wet it down lightly with the hose. Now the real key to this kind of environment is finding the right replacement grass to go in there. And Munns, the lawn experts, have come up with this as their latest offering. It's a tall fescue variety. Now fescues are fantastic. They're a cooler season grass with very deep roots. They handle wear and tear exceptionally well, and best of all, they grow really well in shaded positions, which is why the experts rely on them. Application is easy. It's a simple, gentle shake, evenly spreading the seed across the surface of the soil. The seed's coated with a blue dye, which helps you understand where it's fallen, and the colour is also a deterrent for birds. It stops them from eating the seed before it's germinated. Simply spread it evenly across the surface and then water it in again, this time settling the seed into the top 1 or 2 centimetres of the soil. Now what makes this lawn seed so special is the additives that are put into it. It's got a wetting agent in it and makes sure that moisture gets evenly into the soil, vitally important for germinating seeds. It's also got a 3-month slow release fertiliser. It's this combination that guarantees you're going to get an amazing result. This can be done to slightly patchy existing lawns where you just over-sow wherever there are small patches, and the seed will take hold and establish before weeds can. The best thing about this grass is the lawn can move back into the patches and take over if the conditions are right, or it can grow harmoniously alongside the tall fescue. Now it's important to remember this is a cool season grass type, so it's not going to work in the north of the country. If you're in the middle down, you're going to find this is a brilliant way to patch parts of your lawn. Interestingly enough, this is a creation from the people who are the experts in the field, Munns, and you'll only find it in your local Bunnings warehouse store. If you've got patches in your lawn, now's the time to do something about it.